In this video, we will walk through the procedure of how to use the Return to Stock feature in the Woolich Racing Tune software. This feature is only intended for use when you have been advised to use it in a support ticket from a Woolich Racing Support Technician. Using this feature will erase the key that is currently in your ECU. The ECU will be returned to 100% stock as it came from the factory. If you use this feature without advice from a Woolich Racing Support Technician, you will need to purchase a new key in order to flash the ECU again. To use Return to Stock, connect your interface to your ECU either through a bench harness or on-bike harness to your PC. Ensure the bike's battery is over 12.7 volts, otherwise connect it to a battery charger. Also ensure that your PC is not running any other applications. If you are running a laptop, ensure it is connected to power. Go to New and select the correct part number for your ECU. Then go to Tools and select Return to Stock. Read through the disclaimer, and when you are happy to proceed, click Yes. Next, read through the prompt to confirm that you understand that you will lose your bin file definition key and click Yes. Then go through the checklist and click OK when you are ready. The software will now run through the process to return the ECU to stock. Make sure that you do not interrupt your PC during this process. This process may take a significant amount of time depending on the type of ECU being used. Once this has been completed, reply to your support ticket to let us know that you have completed a return to stock on your ECU, and we can replace your bin file key.